The famous astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson believes that the first trillionaire in the world would be the one who owns an asteroid mine. What is asteroid mining and why is it important to think about it? Let's find out more onto the fact. We all are aware that the natural resources that are available on Earth, like water and rare metals, that are extensively used by industries, are depleting sooner than we anticipated. So where are those rare materials used? So this YouTube video you might be watching on a device like a smartphone or a laptop, where some of the parts of those devices are made up of precious material like gold, silver and platinum. Just like that, solar panels, wind turbines and hydrogen is also made up of platinum. The goal of these devices is to make Earth sustainable. But the more the Earth goes green, the more toxic mining it needs. These metals are also important for medicine, aerospace and other technologies. Mining on Earth is destroying entire ecosystem, even displacing communities and creates toxic wastes. This is the reason why many intellectuals and tech entrepreneurs are targeting asteroids as a future source of black gold. They are also studying the possibility of refueling the rocket on the asteroid itself with hydrogen. So let us understand the potential that these asteroids hold before we understand the process of mining. Asteroids are somewhat similar to our Earth, where they have huge deposits of water and rich minerals. It is estimated that there are over 16,000 asteroids in Earth's orbit. They can carry up to 2 trillion tons of water and other precious deposits like platinum and precious metals. Just to give you an estimate, in July 2015, there was an asteroid that passed really close to the Earth. It is estimated that it contained 90 million tons of platinum in its core and other precious materials as well. In US dollars, this asteroid could be worth more than $300 billion. Well, those kind of number for a single asteroid on table, you can estimate the potential of asteroid mining. Until now, this was all theoretical because space travel was too expensive. But it's changing as a seat on SpaceX rocket is 3 times cheaper than the traditional space shuttle. It is noted that few entrepreneurs are already investing in the cosmic ventures and the companies like Deep Space Ventures. Companies like Deep Space Industries and Planetary Resources are considered to be one of the biggest players in this space. So now that you have the taste of where asteroid mining industries are heading, let's understand the 2 different stages of asteroid mining. So step 1 is choosing the right asteroid. There are a lot of asteroids in our solar system and even in the Earth's orbit, but not all of them consist the useful minerals and water that we are looking for. Right now, companies are more interested in the asteroids that are near to the Earth's orbit, so that it consumes less energy for the companies to launch an automated space shuttle on their surface. Also, other factors like asteroid's orbital path, its size, its composition and its spin rate are also taken into consideration. Now, after identifying the asteroid, the next step is to mine them accurately. Given the fact the idea of mining asteroids is at a very primitive stage, it should be noted that asteroids are not stationary vehicles and that makes it more challenging to launch an automated space vehicle to mine them. However, asteroids do not have gravitational field, so it makes it very easy to enter the asteroid surface and to escape it as well. Given this fact, these companies are working on developing automated space vehicle for mining. One of the concepts behind this automated space vehicle is to target an area on the asteroid which are rich in resources. Once the area is identified, this vehicle would collect the extracted resource in a vessel container and that vessel container could return back to the Earth. As we discussed earlier, this technology is at really early stage and it will take years to make it a reality. Once this is a success, it will also help in refueling our rockets in the project of colonizing other planets. If you plan to become a trillionaire, now you know which direction to go. Let us know in the comment section what do you think about asteroid mining. Did you know that a lady survived after falling off a plane from 33,000 feet on Earth? If not, then do click on these videos here. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Take it easy.